In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix drive is not accessible. First thing, find the drive that you're having issues with. For example, let's say it's this one. You would right click, go to properties, and sometimes if you go to tools and click check, this might just fix your issues. But if this doesn't fix your issues, then you can do the next step. So you're going to go here, open CMD, right click, run as administrator, and here you're going to type in chk dsk and then space /r space, and here you're gonna put the alphabet. So for me it's D. So if you like, as you can see, the alphabet for my drive is D. If you have different alphabet, put whatever you have. So then you're gonna press enter and wait for it to load. It's gonna scan. Now after it finishes loading, you can try restarting your PC and see if this fixes your issue.